Congratulations, Amy, $15 PayPal money. Hazel, congratulations, $5 PayPal money. Mark S, wow, that was fast. $5 PayPal money. Tamika, $5 PayPal money. Congratulations. And this just keeps going on and on and on and on. And what these people are doing is they're taking advantage of the PayPal custom amount, which you can enter in, and then this way you guys can claim how much money that you want to make. Now the minimum amount is $5, but you can enter in any amount right in here, and then it will tell you how many points that you guys must accumulate to get that money. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now there is no surveys. I'm going to repeat this again, guys. There is no surveys that you guys have to do to get this money. You just have to know the secret code on how to really make this all work. So the first step that you guys are going to do is to go right over to Welcome back, guys. My name is Big Mark. I create videos about making money online, and if you subscribe right now, I will send you a notification and an update whenever I create a new video so you guys don't miss anything. And if you stay towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a bonus that will allow you to make even more money right online. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Before we get started here, I just want to let you guys know that you must have a PayPal account. So if you don't already have one, go right over to paypal.com and make sure that your PayPal account is functioning. And this is completely safe, 100% legit. You guys can start earning PayPal money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it on this video. Now, the very first step is to really just be aware of what's really going on here, on how we have the ability to earn PayPal money just by using different websites on the internet. There are websites out there right now that are just waiting to give you PayPal money. Why don't we get in touch with those websites? Why don't we just sign up today and get started? And that's what we're going to be doing on this video. You can see that I've already signed up, and you can simply and easily do this with just a basic Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can just simply use a name or an email address and a password, and you guys will be on your way. Once you get logged in and get access, you guys are going to see some menu items down here. Now, I'll be sharing the name of the website. Don't worry about that. I'll be giving you guys access and show you the exact URL to go to so you guys can get access and start this right away. Now, you've got several different things. You've got $1 to $5 rewards, but we really want to focus on in this video is the PayPal money. So right down here, you've got PayPal, you've got free money. Now, I like that. Free money sounds good to me. You also got testimonials and stuff of other people that have received their PayPal cash. Now, there is a reward goal that you guys can modify. It's very important for you guys to choose and to select what your goal is going to be with this website. Now, you can click on change goal. That's going to take you over to another page. But in this video, what I really wanted to focus on is the PayPal custom amount, where you guys can just simply enter in any amount here. So in other words, like we had before, I can just put in $100. Now, as soon as I do that, you can immediately see this update. It's going to say your request will require 10,000 points. But I have some great news for you guys. If you are familiar at all with different websites that pay you different points and stuff, you understand that it's really, really difficult to generate those points to get the amount that's required to do a $100 withdrawal, but not on this website. Looking over here, I'm going to show you guys some different things on how you can earn those points pretty rapidly. Now, looking over here, this is just an example. I'll show you guys how to get this in just a moment. But if you look over here, these are called featured offers. And I want you to take a quick look at the amount of points that they pay out. So each one of these at the top here pays 1,000 points. Now let's just do the math here, guys. So if you get like 10, if you do 10 of these offers, you enter in your email or do whatever they want you to do, that's 1,000 points. Well, you times that, you do that 10 times, that's going to be $100, which you can then come over here and you can just claim that. Now you have to get that 10,000 points inside of your account. Once you do that, you can claim it just by clicking on this orange button right here. Now, it's important, of course, it's going to take 1 hour to process everything so you guys can get paid. They also state that they are not responsible for sending it to the wrong person or the wrong email. So when you guys do sign up, make sure to go inside of your PayPal account and make sure that you have the right email. So when you do enter all your personal information, you make sure that the money is going to go to the right area. Okay, so the PayPal payment will be in USD, of course, United States currency, and will be converted to PayPal account currency. You guys can have that converted to whatever whatever currency your PayPal is currently in. So what we're going to be doing now is I'm just going to kind of walk you through this website and show you really what it's all about. So this website gives you points, which you can later redeem for PayPal money, but it does that for doing just various tasks. But what I really want to focus on is that, because I know a lot of us are busy. We do not have time to sit around and click around on different websites or anything like that. So what we're going to be focusing on is doing, or just simple things like starting or playing a video on our computer or maybe even on our phone, and just having that play while we rack up the points inside of our accounts. And that just logically, it seems like to me, that's just the easiest way to do this. And a lot of people don't know this, but there are websites out there that are going to pay you for watching ads. They're going to pay you for watching videos. And this is one of the sites that does that. One of the cool things that you can do is just select right here, there's a little filter menu, and you can select by the top paying offers, by the top paying videos that are going to pay you the most points. And so now this is completely hands-off. If you guys don't want to be active on the internet generating these points, you can simply just start the video. It will play automatically and you guys can start earning points with that. Now, to really give you an example on how this works, what you guys are going to do is you're going to come over here where it says earn, and then you can select one of these video options right here. Now, as soon as you do that, it's going to take you over to this page. This is going to be the area where you're going to earn points by watching videos. Now, one of the great things about this is that you have many different categories to choose from. You have food, music, celebrity, what else we got here? Viral videos, which are kind of cool. Best life videos, gaming videos. I know gaming's very popular. Even movie buzz. I don't know. I'm kind of a movie buff, so maybe I would watch that. But so there's a lot of different videos and several different categories to choose from. So then what you guys are going to do when you're all set to go and you're ready to start watching videos, and guys, don't get discouraged if you see this small point amount right here. That's just the lowest amount that you guys are going to get paid. But see, the thing is, this adds up very quickly. When you let the videos and the advertisements run by themselves, you're going to start racking up points on this platform, and it's going to be completely automatic. So what I'm going to do is click on one of these green buttons right here so I can show you exactly what this looks like. Okay, so it says watch the latest food videos and earn for every video plus ads. So did you guys get that? You earn for every video and advertisement that you watch. When you're all set to go and that you agree to the terms, which is very important, click on this green button right here. Now,